welcome back to Chef Hampshire, where today we're going to be making a beautiful buttered fried potato to go with some nice roasted chicken pieces, another product from the guys at This UK. So let's test out this new product. So I've peeled the potatoes. We're now just going to dice them up or cut them up into small pieces just so then they boil off a bit quicker. And then you want to get them into salted water, starting the water cold, and then bring it up to a boil with the potatoes in the water. And then we can get on to either frying them or roasting them off with that beautiful butter and rosemary. So it'll just take 10 minutes in here and then we'll move on. So now the potatoes have boiled off for a little bit, I've just got them into a baking tray. So here I've also gone with a few cherry tomatoes, just like a handful that I've cut up into half. I've put the potatoes that are all diced in there, and then we're also going to go in with this chicken. And then now it's all in the pan, or all in the tray. We're going to season everything. I've also gone with 2 small shallots that I've diced up, and we're going to lay it over everything. So now that we've got it all on the tray, we've got a handful of tomatoes, we've got our potatoes, we've got our chicken. We went over it with those diced shallots. I've now got a handful of rosemary from my garden that I'm just going to sprinkle again over all of it. Try and keep it mainly on the potatoes, but get a bit on your tomatoes and a bit on the chicken as well. We're then going to go with a little bit of garlic granules over everything, mainly this one on the chicken, and then smoked paprika on the potatoes, on the chicken, on the tomatoes. Give it all that flavour, and then a little bit of your chili flakes. I'm just going to keep this one to going on the chicken. Don't really want spicy potatoes or spicy tomatoes. And then we're just going to mix it up with some olive oil, and then we're going to put a lump of butter on those potatoes, so when it goes in the oven the butter will melt over those potatoes and get them to crisp up nicely. So now we're just going to whack that into our oven at 200 degrees. And there you have it. Once it comes out the oven, you got those charred tomatoes, some beautiful potatoes, and that luscious chicken ready to now plate up and then eat. And there you have it. There's a beautiful, easy recipe. Bang everything in the oven, tray bake it. That is delicious, vegan, meaty, and definitely one that you must try and cook at home. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button down below. Subscribe to me on YouTube, Chef Henry Hampshire. Follow me on Instagram at chef_Hampshire. Leave a comment down below of what you want to see next, any recipes or any videos that you think I should check out. And then enjoy, share, and peace.